Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to choose a different weekly option in case you get bored like me. I get bored of the same weekly option. So if I go to my weekly view, this is the template that the planner, no, not that one, I haven't messed with it, sorry. This is the template that my planner comes with. This one, okay, so let's just say I've been using it for a couple weeks. I want a new one, so let's go to our extra pages tab. And we have a bunch in here that you get to choose from depending on your mood. So let's find the babies. Let's just say, I already did an example with that one. Let's just say we want this one. So there are different ways you can add this template, but one thing is you cannot delete pages, you can only add pages. So this is my way of doing it. What I do is I grab this template and I just take a screenshot by where the power is and the volume up button. So I take a screenshot. Okay, and then it says Lucy's little hack. I crop it just to the page. Okay, crop, just the page. Done, save to photos. Then what I do, I feel like I was screaming. Go to January. Let's just say I want to use that template in this week. Okay, so the link is already to this link, to this page. If I delete this page, all the links will mess up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a photo, and it's this one, the one I recently just took, and I'm just going to resize it. Don't you just love digital planning? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna resize it. Obviously, I would probably do it perfect because then it would bother me if it's not. Like, that's not perfect. So I'm gonna grab it again. I'm going to resize it. Just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, that looks good. So now what I have is I have the insert that I want on that link. I think it was this one. Yes. Okay, so that is one way to do it. Now the only thing about this is, yes, you can write on it, do your weekly views, your little tasks. The only thing here is if you add a sticker, watch this. If you add a sticker, so let's just say I want this sticker, I'm gonna copy it. And then I'm gonna go to my weekly view. Okay. So let's just say I have a sticker here for Thursday workout. Okay, if I ever wanna move that sticker, I'm not going to be able to because the insert itself is an image and the sticker itself is an image. So me trying to take this sticker and move it around is gonna move the whole planner. Okay, now it has happened to me that happens. What I do is I just move the planner, the insert, and then I end up putting this where I want it, and then I put this back. It is a lot of work. I wouldn't recommend you guys to do that because it is annoying and you see it's not even where it's supposed to be. The only thing about adding inserts is that you cannot move images. You can move text, just take off the images. Let's just say this got moved over here. That's totally fine because you're moving text and not images. That's one way to add an insert. Notice how I did not delete any pages. So let's delete all of this, and I'm going to show you another way. I'm just going to cut it out. Wait, I need to have images on so I could delete the sticker and the template. Okay, I'm going to show you another way. So let's just say that I want that same template, but this time I'm not going to screenshot it. This is what I'm going to do. Let's just find it. Okay. Around here, this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my 4 squares and I'm going to select it. So go to select and then press on the template I want, and I'm going to go to copy. It's copying. I'm going to go to done. Okay, let's get out of here. Now I want to insert that template here. Okay, I cannot delete this page. I can't go here, select it, delete it. No, what I'm going to do is, this is what I do. I'm gonna go to my 4 squares and I'm going to go, this is where I want the page. I'm gonna go to this little arrow and I'm gonna go to add page after. And I'm going to paste the new template that I'd like. And since this one is the one that has the link, let me show you. This is the one that has the link. I am just going to use this page for something else, because there's always something I can use a page for. So this is just a template I got from my shop. I'm going to put my weekly menu here. That way this page does not go to waste because I cannot delete it, but I can cover it up with something else. I'm gonna put my weekly menu here. And over here on the side, let's see what other templates I've got. I'm going to put my market list. Okay, so it's easier to cover them up with something you want, or even just like a blank page. That way, when you go to your monthly view and you're trying to find your weekly view, you go here to your weekly view. It's going to take you to this page and you just slide one and there is your template. And in this one, since it is the original template, it's not an image, if I add a sticker to it, copy. If I add a sticker to it, oh, I think I pressed on a link, yes. If I add a sticker, here we are, and I decide not to, I didn't want that sticker there anymore, I can grab it and move it. Because the actual template is a page and not an image like we did it the first time. So those are 2 ways to add extra pages to your planner. Guys, please, please, please do not delete any pages because everything is hyperlinked. Same thing if you want to add the other daily view, because I know there's like a cute daily view for those days when you're feeling a little bit extra. Let me find it, because I'm actually happy that it takes me forever to find it, because that just means this planner has a bunch of templates. Okay, this one, let's just say you want to add this one. You can either screenshot it and add it to your daily page. So I'm going to show you really quick a way in case you want to use this all week. So I'm going to screenshot and I am going to crop. Okay, done, save to photos. Okay, I want to use this daily view all week, right? All my bubbles are already linked. So I'm going to go to Sunday and I don't want this daily view. So I'm going to paste, oops, I didn't copy it. It's in my images. So I'm going to add this page, this daily view over it. And then I am going to, if I want to add this page in the next daily view and in the next one, well, what I can do is simple. I can grab my lasso tool, go around it, and copy it. And then I can just continue pasting it. Okay, and pasting it. So it's really easy to set up your week really quick. That way you can have your days for the whole week, and pasting it, and so on and so forth. So that is how you can use your extra templates. And if you want to add extra pages, for example here, I want this page again. So I'm going to go to my 4 squares. I'm going to go to add page after, and I'm just going to go to current template. Like if I want that same page, I can do a current template, and I want another page of those, add page after, current template. I want the same one. If I want another page for my extra pages tab, I'll go to my extra pages tab and I'll copy the page. Let's say I want to use the bullet journal paper. I'm going to go to my 4 squares, select copy, because that's the page that I want. Done. And then I'm going to go over here to the tab where I want it. I'm going to go to my 4 squares and I'm going to go to add page after, but this time instead of current template, I'm going to go to paste page. And now I have my bullet paper in this tab because that's where I pasted it, and I can paste it as many times as I would like. So that was a lengthy tutorial, but I think I taught you guys everything you need to know about extra pages. I hope that tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Bye.